Hello friends, running kimono. If you can run, I mean get your coat on. Actually, it's summer still, don't get your coat on. Grab your wallet, get into your car, and get to Walgreens. There is a bunch of stuff that hit 90% off, including 79-cent toilet paper and a whole bunch of lotions, potions, and body washes, really, really cheap. So I would go to the store right away. Once this stuff gets tagged, it's going to be gone like really quick. And for a lot of you that just don't believe anything I say, I got some toilet paper at the top there, $7.99 down to 79 cents. We have not seen that in a couple of years. And then that Walgreens cocoa butter lotion, 49 cents each. So my theory here, guys, is that the big W, that classic new packaging that they're rolling out, I think the complete home, a lot of that stuff we're going to see probably clearing out because they want this new, fresh design, to be, what everybody wants to buy or how they're printing everything. So the first thing that I went to look for in the toilet paper section, or this stuff alternatively might be at the front of the store, is the Complete Home Ultra Soft 6-pack. And it's supposed to look like that 6-pack of Charmin, but it's kind of falling short because it's this Complete Home, but it's supposed to look like Charmin. It looks like a Charmin pack. And just to show you like a close-up here it is. And this guy was 79 cents. So I got a couple of these. See, it says compared versus to Charmin Ultra Soft. So it's the softer one. They also have the red one, which is the strong. But for 79 cents, I'm sure you could find at least $5 of clearance. Use a register reward, a store register reward, even at that, or $5 of Walgreens cash. And here is the barcode. I know a lot of you are like, I need to see the barcode, so I'm finding the exact same thing. Here it is. Grab a screenshot. Unfortunately, there's no way to utilize this barcode and look for it in the Walgreens app. It just is what it is. But once this stuff gets tagged at your store, I mean, everybody and their grandmother, there's only a certain amount left at most stores too, because this is an older stock. It's going to be gone. And here is the beautiful UPC for this as well. So if you are a strong or a soft, stock up with $5, you can do a lot of damage. Now also, there's this body wash. I think it was supposed to look like the Dove Men's or whatever this bottle is. But this bottle, I looked on the back and it said 2020. So I don't know if that's when they were manufacturing it or what. But this was 29 cents for me. Scents that we have are Mountain Fresh, Pure Fresh, and Extra Fresh. So you are a fresh dude. And it is the 18 fluid ounce, so a larger bottle. And sorry, this one's kind of blurry, but I know a lot of you are like, I got to see the UPC. And I think on one of the backs of these, it said 2020. So that is kind of interesting. And they did make the packaging very similar to look. I think this is either supposed to be Dove or to look like an Old Spice sort of bottle from back in the day. But it fooled nobody because nobody wanted it. Look, 2019 Walgreens company. So how old is this stuff? That's the question. Also, these massive bottles of cocoa butter. So when you walk into the store, they have a display of all the sunscreen and then like shampoos and lotions and potions, nail stuff, just impulse buys. And this was also 90% at 49 cents. And just to take a really close look, it's 20.3 fluid ounce. So for 49 cents, put this with a pair of cozy socks. That's everybody's Christmas gift. And here is your UPC. Look, it says 2020. So I don't know. That's when they started printing these. I don't suspect it would be in the store that long, but who really knows? But yeah, there it is. Now, this is something I really wanted a lot of, was the Eczema Relief Body Cream. Again, Walgreens brand. The expiry date for these were for next year sometime. But if you suffer from eczema, and my mom does, it's painful. And these were 99 cents each. And you are getting 8 fluid ounces, which is quite a bit of cream. Here is the UPC for this. And again, double, triple check the dates, especially if they have older stock in there. You don't want to buy something that's expired or something like that, even if it's 99 cents. And I would, if this is some stuff that interests you or you need it for your stockpile, or if you have a bunch of store register rewards that are just taking up space, get out to the store right away, see what they might have in stock. Again, some of this stuff might be in that beauty section on weird end caps. It will not be where the body wash is. The toilet paper also might be found at the front of the store in a display, just impulse buys. or it'll be found in the toilet paper section. So look high and low, end caps, side caps, the beauty center especially. Nothing was tagged at my store, and I scored like a bandit. Once the tags appear, I mean, everybody and their grandmother, any shopper will want most of this stuff. So get out and make it happen, guys. Good luck.